Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you're all doing great. Today's recipe is a fun and easy way to prepare vegetables, especially for kids who usually don't like them. This is the perfect trick to make them love veggies. A simple and super tasty idea. So let us get started. Here I have 2 medium zucchini and 2 medium potatoes, plus 1 carrot, all cleaned and ready. Now everything is washed and peeled. So let us begin by grating the zucchini first. We'll grate it using the large side of the grater, and I'll show you the next steps right after. So here we go, grate the zucchini on the coarse side. After grating it, I'll add a small pinch of salt, just a little, not too much. Then I'll leave it for a while so it releases its water. I placed it on a strainer with a bowl underneath, so all the liquid can drain completely. We'll leave it like this with salt for about 15 minutes. And meanwhile, I'll grate the potatoes and the carrot. The potatoes are grated on the coarse side as well, just like the zucchini. Use the thick side of the grater for that. Once the potatoes are grated, squeeze out the excess water and the starch they release. We only need the clean, dry potato pulp. Perfect. Now I'll place it in a clean bowl. I've also grated the carrot using the coarse side, and I'll add it in, no need to squeeze it. The zucchini has been resting for about 15 minutes, so now I'll press it gently to remove the water. You can also squeeze it by hand, just remove all the extra liquid. Now we'll mix the zucchini with the potatoes and carrot. I'll take a large bowl and pour in all the veggies so we can mix them easily. Just like that. Perfect. Now I'll add about 100 grams of cheese. You can use any kind you like, or adjust the amount to your taste. Then I'll add 2 eggs. Here I have 1 clove of garlic, some salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'll also add 1 teaspoon of dried onion powder. If you don't have it, no worries. You can use chopped green onions or leeks instead. If green onions aren't available, just slice the leek leaves very finely and mix them in. That works perfectly too. Now I'll add everything to the bowl. These are all the ingredients we need for now. You can also add chives if you have them. Use whatever is available. Now mix everything together really well. We'll combine it all nicely. After mixing, I'll add 2 tablespoons of fine semolina. This will help give texture and hold the mixture together. Then mix again. Now cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest for about 20 minutes so the semolina can absorb the moisture. After 20 minutes, we'll continue. Now for the sauce that goes with it. I have 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and about 1½ tablespoons of plain yogurt. Add half a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of paprika. Mix it all together, and that is our delicious dipping sauce. Now heat a pan with just a little bit of oil, not too much, just enough to fry lightly. The veggie mix has rested for about 20 minutes, and it is ready to shape. Form small balls or patties like this, then press them slightly to flatten. Keep the heat on low to medium. Press gently with your hand or a spoon, whatever feels easier. Now flip them once they reach golden. Let them cook for another 3 minutes on the other side, about 3 minutes per side. Keep the heat gentle so they cook through evenly. If you don't want to fry them, you can also bake them. Just place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake at 180°C for 20 to 25 minutes. They'll turn out perfect either way, crispy outside, soft inside, and super tasty. All right, let us see the final results together. Here is how our veggie bites turned out: golden, flavorful, and just amazing. And here is the sauce we made to go with them. I really hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any new recipes from Spice and Easy Kitchen. Let us cut one open. Look how soft and creamy it is inside. Kids will absolutely love it. So easy, so tasty, and budget-friendly too. See you in the next video.